Okay, good day everyone. This is Sir Benz. Let's start our first discussion of our video. Let's start with this differential equation. The topic is removing of arbitrary constants. For the equation given below, determine the differential equation by elimination of arbitrary constants. The equation is y is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to negative x. By the way, what is the arbitrary constant here? This c1 and then this c2. They are the arbitrary constants. Okay? Let's now solve for this problem. We have first to take note that so this is a note. Kindly take note that the derivative of e raised to ax is equal to, where a is a integer, e raised to ax, the derivative of that is a, e raised to ax. So with that, we're going to get the first derivative of y. Y is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to negative x. We'll get the first derivative, y prime equals c1 e raised to 3x. The derivative of that is 3. That is, sorry, Fen. Okay, that is 3c1 e raised to 3x plus the negative 1 c2 e raised to negative x. Then we get y double prime. We'll code this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. We get the second derivative of the first derivative, that is 3 times 3, which is 9, c1 e raised to 3x, and then plus negative 1 times the negative 1 is the positive 1, c2 e raised to still negative x. This is now equation number 3. So how do we remove the arbitrary constant? Let's multiply equation 1 by 3 and then subtract it by the equation 2. So we have y is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to negative x. Y prime is equal to 3 c1 e raised to 3x, and then minus c2 e raised to negative x. This y, we need to multiply it by 3. So this is 3y, this is 3c1, and then this is 3c2e raised to negative x. And then let's subtract 3y minus y prime. Let's have it written in the same way. So 3c1 e raised to 3x minus 3c1 e raised to 3x, that will be cancelled out. 3c2 e raised to negative x minus the negative of c2 e raised to negative x. This will become positive. So we have 4 c2 e raised to negative x. And we will call it as equation number 4. Next, we'll now multiply equation number 2. Then subtract it to equation number 3. Let's have equation 2, y prime is equal to 3c1 e raised to 3x minus c2 e raised to negative x, and then y double prime is equal to 9c1 e raised to 3x plus that one, huwag na natin isulat. That is c2 e raised to negative x. And we have to multiply it by 3. This will be multiplied by 3. This is multiplied by 3. So this 3 will be distributed. This will be 3y prime. And this one will become 9. This one is 3c2 e raised to negative x. Divide both sides. Let's subtract it. So 3y prime minus y double prime. 3y prime minus y double prime is equal to 9c1 e raised to 3x minus 9c1 e raised to 3x. This will become cancelled. So negative 3c2 e raised to negative x minus c2 e raised to negative x. This is negative 4c2 e raised to negative x. We have now this as equation number 5. Let's add equation 4 and then equation 5 para ma-eliminate natin to C2. Since na-eliminate na natin yung C1, this will have 3y minus y double prime. Sorry, this is 3y minus y prime is equal to 4c 2 e raised to negative x 3y prime minus y double prime is equal to negative 4c2 e raised to negative x. Adding, so 3y, hindi pwedeng ipag-add dahil ito ay y, and this is y prime. So this is 3y. Ang pwede lang ipag-add itong negative y prime, and this one, the positive 3y prime. So we have plus 2y prime minus y double prime is equal to positive 4 c2 e raised to negative x plus the negative 4 c2 e raised to negative x. This will be cancelled out. So rearranging, let's have negative y double prime plus 2y prime plus 3y equals 0. And then let's have a, sorry, this is y double prime. Let's have a positive first variable. This will be y double prime plus, sorry, this is y double prime minus 2y prime minus 3y equals 0. And then this will be our answer. Okay? This will be our answer for this question. So, what is the shortcut? Let's have the smart method or shortcut that will give you the same answer. Shortcut slash technique. Okay? You only look for this power when you have this kind of format e raised to ax and then c1 c2 e raised to ax. This is only applicable for this format. Okay? C e raised to, this is bx. Sorry, bx. Okay? The smart method is get the coefficient of that power. The coefficient of that power is 3. And then the coefficient of the next power is negative 1. Just equate it to x. Just equate it to x. This will be x minus 3. Let's transpose 3 here. X minus 3 equals 0. And then x plus 1 equals 0. Transposing negative 1 here. Then let's multiply x minus 3 times x plus 1. This is equal to x squared. FOIL method first, then outer. This is first, and then outer, positive x, and then inner, negative 3x, and then the last, this is negative 3 equals, this is equal 0. Combining like terms, positive x, negative 3x, this is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then itong mga x squared, halimbawa x squared, this will become y double prime minus itong x, naka-raise sa 1, magiging 2y prime yan. Minus 3, ito, naka-x raised to 0 yan. So, therefore, ang ilalagay natin dyan ay simply y equals 0. And we come up sa same na answer. And that's the way and long method and short method of removing of arbitrary constant. Nawa ay kayo ay natuto sa aking video for today. So, thank you and have a good day. Subscribe and ring the notification bell para updated sa mga susunod na video and hit that like button.